I got my pencil grip glass cutter, and right here I wrapped copper foil around the brass, because it's brass. I wrapped copper foil around it, and then I soldered it a couple layers, and then I let it get cool. And then what happened is I just took a little block of wood after it soldered, and I put a little indentation right here on the top. That indentation keeps my index finger from sliding down, and it changes everything. For those of you that have a little bit of trouble with your wrist, or you feel like you can't push down hard enough, which you don't need to push down really hard to cut glass, but this, to get those out of the way, this little trick right here for your solder, for your cutting, for your cutter, is really a great way to go. Again, your finger sits right on that. Can you see that? Yeah, see? Your finger sits right on that. And this will allow your finger not to slip down. Go figure. It's a very simple design. And my father was the first one that did this, that I saw it on his cutter, because he was cutting hundreds and hundreds of pieces of glass a day when he was working with us before he passed away. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that little bit of information about this pencil grip cutter. You can change the way that it feels in your hand just by adding what feels like maybe a half an ounce of solder, or something about 2 or 3 inches long of solder.